Don't do it to me. Don't do it. This daggone makeup. That's why I hate makeup. It gets on everything. So hey everybody, it's Chastity Elise and I am back today for another video. So today we're doing an unboxing video. I also want to preface this with, you all might hear some beeping noise in the background. It's my smoke detector. I have not replaced the batteries yet. I tried to, the cover's stuck on it, so I'm actually probably gonna have to call maybe our local fire department, see if they have like some non-emergency people that can come by and change the battery for me. I've tried to twist it. As you all know, I'm still struggling with my one hand. It's still recovering. Takes a while for nerves to grow, so I don't have much strength in my left hand. Granted, I use my right hand for pretty much everything, writing and everything else. So I tried to twist it with my right hand and it looks like it's going to come off, but then it gets stuck. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. My mom's tried as well on multiple occasions to try to get it off. It's not coming off, so we're just gonna have to call somebody to get that taken care of. So I just wanted to mention that because you all may hear beeping, I'm sure, throughout this video. I am sorry, I am sorry, I am sorry. So anyway, today we are doing a Fendi unboxing. So recently I celebrated my birthday, and so I decided to kind of splurge a little bit. So I got a couple of items from Fendi. I posted pictures on my Instagram, but I actually wanted to do an unboxing, and I recorded an unboxing on the day of my birthday, but the lighting and it was just a lot of different things that just didn't go according to plan. And so I decided that I tried to kind of relocate, because I recorded initially at my parents' house. So I figured I would record here. It's a lot quieter, and you know, just I have better lighting and just a lot of different things. So I figured I would re-record the video. So anyway, start this video off. So I actually planned to wear this outfit on my birthday. I didn't do that. There was a lot of different things, like I said, going on. I didn't get my hair done until I think like the day right before. I actually planned to wear like an outfit every day that week, like a lot of people celebrate birthday weeks. But that didn't happen, so it is what it is. Anyway, I initially planned to wear these nails with this outfit, and I thought about putting them on for this video, but I'm like, what's the point of me putting them on today just to wear for a few minutes with this particular unboxing video that I'm going to do. But anyway, these colors match what I purchased. So, and those are just like some simple little, kind of like you just stick them on. So they're not like any special, just press on nails. Alright, so the first thing, I guess I'll start from like some of the smaller items and then we'll get to the bigger items. So, first item that we are going to unbox, it comes in a case for eyewear. So this opens up, and inside it's got sunglasses, the Fendi Romas, silly, and then they've got this right here. So that's just kind of like to clean your glasses off. So kind of like, I guess kind of like a little dust rag or whatever for your sunglasses. I try to be careful about stuff like that. Like, you wear makeup, you know makeup gets literally on everything, but we're just gonna go over the details of these sunglasses really quick like. So on the side it says Fendi Roma, and then let's see, got the inside here where you can see kind of like the frame of the glasses through the blue. And then you all can't see this, or may not be able to see this as well, but the section that rests on your nose, it has the Fendi emblem or the Fendi logo on it. There it is. So it's got the Fendi logo right there. So that is that. And then in here it's got a card. Funny story about this though. So for my Mother's Day vlog, I actually got, which if you all go back and watch it or if you've seen it already, it's got just like, you know, my mom going through her gifts, and I actually got her a Prada card holder, and it came with a card like this, and she's like, what's this gift card for? And I'm like, it's not a gift card. I was like, I thought that too, like when I was opening these things, I thought it was a gift card too, but it's actually a certificate of authenticity. And this comes with every one or each one of these items. Yeah. So that is this first item. We're gonna move on to the next one. All right, so one of the things that I like a lot, I love earrings. I don't wear necklaces as much, but I've been kind of purchasing necklaces and just kind of like different jewelry or whatever. So that's kind of like what these next items are. So the first thing, this is the slightly bigger box and opens up, and then this is almost like, I guess you could say it's like a thin, almost like a little thin velvet covering, either like velvet or kind of like felt, but it's just really soft. And so this is the necklace that I purchased. And that's really pretty. And I don't believe this one came, I don't believe this item came with the certificate of authentication. I don't think it came with the card, or maybe it did. 'Cause there's this right here. So this came in the bag. Let's see, which I don't think that this, nope, this doesn't. This just, one says that the product is plated with precious metals, and then the other one says that it is handmade, just like real jewels. So that's what these two little booklets say. All right, so this is the necklace right here. And now we're gonna move on to the next item. Try to make this quick. It doesn't need to be long. So that was what it was like when I opened it. So the little velvet, the velvet material, I don't know how well you all can see it, but it's got Fendi on it as well. All right, so next item, which is probably one of the items that I would probably wear the most out of everything that I purchased, came in a little Fendi box, and it's got kind of that same type of thing. Since this is a piece of jewelry, it was packaged very similar, in a very similar way. And so these are earrings. So I'm all about, if you watch my channel, you know I'm all about earrings. Most times that you all see me, I'm wearing kind of like the white pearl looking earrings. Normally, I lost the back to one of those earrings, so I haven't worn them in a minute. So I've got to find some new earring backs to go with those before I can wear them again. All right, so next box. And this one really wasn't packaged any special way. So it was literally just kind of folded up in this box. And I opened this prematurely because I thought that I was gonna wear this, but this ribbon was actually around the entire box before I originally opened it. But these are the shorts that I purchased, and I thought that these are really cute. And they've got the elastic waist on them. So I was kind of concerned, and you see the Fendi logo on the back, but I was kind of concerned about this because a lot of pants don't always fit me, especially in the waist. So I was kind of like, I don't know if this is gonna fit. If I get an elastic waist, I wanna make sure that I don't get too tight. So I ended up getting, and that's what I need to mention. So I got this in a size Let's see if it tells me. All right, so I got this in a size 38. And this is called it's basically chambray shorts. So they've got listed as short FF Azure Chambray Sagittarius. So anyway, I will put the links to these items in the description box below, just in case anybody's interested in them or interested in any one of these particular items for themselves. So yes, I thought that those were cute. And it's like, they're not too short, they're not too long, like they're just perfect, and they're not too tight fitting. So I was really happy when I tried these on to find out that they fit and they weren't uncomfortable. This is going to be our last item to unbox. And this one kind of got torn and beat up a little bit on the way as it was being shipped, so. All right. So with this one, about to throw it all out. But yeah, so this one is a bag. It comes with a dust bag here. And this is called the Fendi Flat Baguette. So I have a lot of bags. I did like a whole video of my bag collection. And I can say that I've really been a huge fan of totes, but totes are large. Totes can end up being heavy just because they can carry a lot. So you just kind of throw things in there. And I'm guilty of that. I throw my phone in there. I have literally, I don't know, countless of cards. I don't really keep change like that, but somehow, I don't know how, but somehow my purse always ends up being really heavy. And I'm like, I don't know if it's my phone. I don't think it's the cards. I don't have that many cards. You know, you keep your lotion, your hand sanitizer, just a lot of stuff in your bag. And in your tote, it's just really easy to kind of throw in things just for convenience. So I'm like, okay, well, if I get a smaller bag, then I don't have a choice but to carry necessities. Because it's like, okay, I can only fit so much in here, so I kind of have to narrow down what goes in it. So I figured I would get something small, and I ended up getting this. I didn't want to get a mini baguette, but since I was going with very much a blue and white theme for kind of my birthday, blue, light blue, baby blue, light blue, baby blue is my favorite, one of my favorite colors. So I kind of wanted to stick with that theme. So I saw this on their website, so I decided that I would get this. And it's actually really spacious. So you all see the Fendi logo on the front. It snaps closed. Don't do it to me. Don't do it. This daggone makeup. That's why I hate makeup. It gets on everything. So anyway, it's got the logo on the front. It snaps closed. It has really nice stitching. Really nice uniform stitching all around. And so on the inside, it's got your card holder in the back here. And then it's got the two main openings here. So it's really spacious, and honestly, I don't have my phone in here, but I can fit my phone. I can fit your keys, your lipstick, chapstick, hand sanitizer, any of those items in here. One thing I don't like about hand sanitizer, sometimes it leaks. It was accidentally open in my tote yesterday and it did leak a little bit. That's one thing I do not like. But yeah, so this is very spacious, more spacious than I actually expected. So that is the bag there, and then it does have a pocket. It does have a pocket on the back as well. And then you got your handles here. It's not adjustable, but fortunately, it doesn't seem like there's much adjustment that really needs to be made on it. I'm a short person. I'm 5 foot, so it sits kind of like there on me. And then also, if you go on the website, you'll see they had, I think the person that was wearing it on the website kind of had the bag maybe like across their chest or something like that, I think. Not 100% certain. I'll post the picture here so you all can see it. But yeah, the way they had it, I think they kind of had it in front. And I typically like to wear my bags on the side. So anyway, that is the end of this video, but I am going to show you all how I intended to style it, and I will see you all in just a few moments. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all again so much for supporting, and I will see you all for the next video.